welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my new kinetic sand. So here's my kinetic sand. Came in this container. It's actually a lot. And listen to this. I have it all rolled up into a ball, and you'll listen. Didn't break. Still hasn't broken. But then watch. It is kind of sticky, and I'm doing this before school, so this isn't too good to be really sticky. But it's cool. It came this much, and you can. She's not really satisfying. Got some on the table. It's really cool because you just slide it along, just picks up everything, see? And it just flattens really easily. And it comes out. And I got a cool mold and it stays in form. And then not. I've been using this. It's really cool. I've been making like little fun snowmen in it. The only thing I'd say this like 10 out of 10. 1 out of 10. I'd say 9 because mine is 1 because of how sticky it is. But the rest of it is awesome. Look at that. And here's the door. Now it's, it's really satisfying. So I do recommend it. But it will be sticky, and it does stick to your fingers now. This is the purple. This is not pink. This is the purple. That's the purple. It might look pink on camera. It might look purple and pink on camera, but it's actually purple. You can find this at Walmart, Target, anywhere. It's really fun, but really sticky, which I don't know if your parents like it to be sticky, and they might say it's really messy to clean up, but just take it and move it. See, it's all cleaned up. Really fun and easy. So bye guys.